Everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a package here with a few things to show you. And they come to us from Diamond Art Gift. Thank you, Diamond Art Gift, for letting me pick out a couple of things to show everybody. Okay, so what do we have? Probably a few things in here to add to my collections. You know, those ever-growing collections of things I love. Anyhow, you know, why not? Okay. Looks like we have 5 things here. This is a pretty flexible canvas. I like this one a lot. All right, this is one I opened up to see who this was from. Okay, basic toolkit comes with each of them. This one has a couple baggies. They don't all have baggies. Look at that cute little piece of wax. And look at those pretty colors. Ooh, love those colors. So this reminds me of a channel I've been following and watching. She does all beachy decorations. I'll have to see if I can link her below. All different kinds of crafty things, but it's all beachy colors. That's what this reminds me of. Look at that. Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is picture printed, and it's pumpkins at the beach. Pumpkins on the beach. Love it, right? Isn't it cute? I love that. Look at those colors. I fell in love with these colors. The blues, the teals, the oranges. I just fell in love with it. 22 colors. Legend on both sides with the DMC codes. Look, we got the seagrass here. Love this. I love this. Okay. A sand dollar. Everything is large, so it's going to turn out. I love that. That's all I can say about it. Sticky. Yes. Sticky. Okay. Do we have Oh, these are the drills that have the DMC codes on them. I like these. These are some of my favorites. It's got all this information. It's got your DMC number. It's got the size of the painting, the kit. Everything's on there. I love these. They've always been good drills too. Okay. Let's look at these colors. I'm sure you can kind of figure out what they are. Teal, orange, yellow, white. Right? We'll look at them anyhow. Okay. Oh, there we go. Well, I didn't say any of those colors, did I? All right, here we go. Blue, orange, yellow, orange, blue. Oh, I have some gray, some teals, some blues, grays, yellows. And let's finish out with more blues and teal colors. Love it. Exactly what I thought they would be, those colors, right? No surprises there. I love that one though. What do you think about it? I like the anchor, the star. I love everything about that. Love that painting. Okay, sorry, gotta make some noise. Make some noise, make some noise. I feel like I'm at a football game. Anybody follow football? I do, you know, just my college football team. And hey, can I say go green, right? They're kicking some hiney. Okay, come on. This canvas is more stiff, as you can tell. I'm struggling with it a little more. There's our same toolkit. This one is special drills because it's part of the collection. 14 shapes, stones, etc., etc. Okay, got a pretty purple background. This reminds me of like a velour. It looks like velour or something. And got some flowers, some more flowers, and more flowers. It's just a bunch of flowers. They're pink flowers. I hope we got some cool pink colors to go on our pink flowers. What do you think? You know, I love the quilling. I absolutely adore the quilling paintings. They're my favorites. Oh, we're going to get sunshine now. Oh, goodness, the sun's coming. Let's see if we can move out of the way. Hang on. Do. We'll move over this way. The sun's invading my counter space. There, that's better. Let's get out of the sunshine. It was not sunny when I started this. It's been a very rainy, very icky, overcast day. And now the sun comes out. Go figure, right? Okay, let's see. You know what? I think I might move us even a little more. There we go. There. Stay away from the shadow puppets that way a little bit better. I'm going to get a little bit, but I don't feel like stopping now that I've started. You know what I mean? We have this big, huge window behind me, and certain times of the year, the sun just comes in there and wreaks havoc. Oh, we're going to start with specials. Yellow, purple, big red ones, some purple marquee. Those are super pretty. Some red marquee, then some rhinestones, a variety of rhinestones. I hope we get something really cool for those flowers. Clear. There's some pinks. That's nice. Oh, hopefully it's mixed with these two, the pink rhinestone and the white AB. If that's in the flowers, that would be cool. That would be a nice mix. I think it probably is. No, I'd be wrong. 1 and 2. The flowers are the silver and the pink. Where's the 3s go? I don't know. Oh, the 3s are like the wisps and they outline things. Okay, well that's cool. Okay, what else? What else do we have? See, shadow puppets, I'm telling you. It's back there. Oh, okay. I opened up this one too. I wasn't certain, so I had to check a couple of them. Okay. Toolkit. Doo-doo-doo. Special drills. Look at different colors. Look at the oranges and the yellows. Totally different color palette, right? This one is very fall. I like that one. Very fallish. Big sunflower. We got like some wheat looking stuff over there. Very pretty. Look at. I can picture seeds there, right? All the sunflower seeds. That'd be pretty. It would be pretty. This one has 17. Wow, that one's got a lot of different shapes. 17 of them. I like this pattern behind it too. How it's got this like printed floral type pattern behind it. Like that. All right, let's see what we got. And now I feel the heat on my back from the sun. And I'm in long sleeve shirt because it was cold. Anyhow, I'll survive, right? I'll survive. Okay, one yellow. Kind of a little orange color. Golds, yellows, orange, yellow, red, some pink. There's a little bit of pink in here. Okay. Some greens, light green. Here's those crystal on the bottom, gold on the top kind of special drill. Some big gold balls, some purple faceted, some light green marquee, clear, and shards. Yay, we have, oh yes, the shards are gonna go around the sunflower here. That'll be pretty. Love it when they use the shards. They make excellent petals. You know what I mean? Make great petals. Okay, we got 2 more. And it looks like I'm gonna go change my shirt because, whew, it's getting warm. I don't have the window open. All right, come out, little painting, come out. Oh, this is cute. This is a special drill, but it's super cute. I think this is a little 30 by 30. Oh, and it's got a bunch of white AB. Yay. Okay, there's our toolkit, as you know. White AB. Yes. Okay, we'll look at those in a second. Look, it's red. Red. 15. Wow, 15 different shapes on this one. Okay, I don't know why that one's got a mark. But look at, he's a snowman. Isn't he cute? He's a cute little snowman. I like him. With snowflakes all around him. And he has a tree. He's carrying a Christmas tree. I like him a lot. Okay, he's cute. Look at his scarf. Everything about this one's going to be fun. Fun, 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 right? He's going to be a blast. It's going to turn out really good. I think it's white AB. Like the snowman. I think he's all white AB. Let's see. Number 1 and number 2. Oh, well, that's interesting. Number 1. Where is number 1? Where's 1, 1, 1, 1? 1, 1. I don't see any 1s. Oh, 1s are in the snowflakes. Okay, in these snowflakes are 1s, and then this snowflake is 1s. So those are AB pearls. All right? And then the 2s are AB faceted, and that's in the Snowman himself. Cool. Lots of white AB. Love it. Some clear, red, gold, green. Green's going everywhere. Some more red. Some more green. Orange. This pretty blue. Where's the blue at? I have no idea where the blue is. Number 10. Oh, it's in his scarf. Okay. Around red, pearls, iridescent marquee, smaller, iridescent marquee. Oh, and we got those. Yeah. Oh, those are going to go like, oh, that's cool. Those are going to go around here, around this snowflake, around this. Oh, yay. That's cool. I like that one. That one's fun. I'll have to do that one for this year. Yes. Okay. One more. One more goodie. What do we have? I think it's a full drill. If I remember, I looked at the order. Let's see. Oh, nope, I don't think it is. Oh, no, it's not. Okay, toolkit. It's just a small little guy. Hang on. Let me roll it this way a little bit so it will lay down. Need it to lay down. All right, you stay there. Very pretty though. Look, it's just a butterfly. A butterfly flying and a bunch of flowers, a bunch of leaves. It'll be really pretty. There's a lot to do on that. 15 different shapes, colors, etc. Oh, I thought I saw slivers, but I don't. I don't think there's slivers. Yay, okay. Very pretty though. I love these colors. This purple and green combination, I love that combination. Super pretty. The last elementary school that I worked at, that was their school colors. Purple and green. Every time I see purple and green, I can't help but think of that. All right, how's that? Blue. We have some resin black, purple, and red. More purple, green, yellow, purple, green. Oh, look at those. Can you see those? Those are faceted. Those are beautiful. Love that color. That's gorgeous. Love it. Then we have some other faceted rounds, some gold marquee, and some clear. Love it. That's going to be super pretty too. All right. I like these choices. I like these choices. I think everything's going to turn out really, really well. Like I said, I'm going to have to do him up for this year because he's going to be blinging with all that AB stuff going on. All right. Okay, that's what I got, you guys. Thanks for watching. Like I said, I got to go get out of this shirt before I roast, you know? Okay, hit that like button, subscribe, check out this company, check out the links. They will be below. And check out memberships. That's right below the video. Subscribe if you enjoyed it and you want to see more videos. And you can come back and see some more stuff, okay? All right. I'm going to head out now, guys. Have a great day. I'm going to do what I got to do for the rest of the day, I guess. All right. Talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.